Hi everyone. I'll be walking you through the feature on the one app where gauges from the run tickets are copied over to the base tank reading when run tickets are created on the tank readings. And this feature specifically works only in the case when the base tank readings have not been already manually entered. So this is an ideal use case where a pumper would mass carry forward data, directly go to a water tank or an oil tank, go and enter a run ticket, and would not really want to update the gauges on the base tank reading. The tank which you're seeing here actually has manual data on the 26, then has carry forward data on the 27, 28, 29, 30. So what I'll do here is I'll actually walk you through the case where the pumper comes in and actually enters a run ticket on the 30th. So on the 30th, imagine the pumper is basically in the object view of the stop. He clicks the tank. He sees that there are already carry forward gauges, and he goes and tries to enter a oil run ticket. So there are no existing oil run tickets. The pumper would basically go and select the purchaser, the transporter, oil, uh, the different dispositions, and enter a ticket number. Because it is alphanumeric, I can actually enter a text as well as a ticket number. Then the pumper would basically say the ticket is basically the top gauge open was 12, the top gauge close was let's assume 11, and the water gauge open was 10 and 10. Open and close was 10 and 10, right? The user can go ahead and add any additional attributes which are mandatory, but the net oil volume is basically 25 BBL, and then the pumper saves the data. So the moment the pumper saves the data, the ticket volume is shown here, and when they navigate back to the tank reading, you would notice that the top gauge is copied over here, and the water gauge from the ticket is also copied over here. So this feature would only work in the case where the base reading was not manually edited. So let's try the same thing on an existing base reading where the base reading was already manually entered by the pumper, and then later the pumper comes and basically enters an oil ticket. So in this scenario, the expectation is pumper says session 12, the bottom gauge is 1105, water gauge is 10, and I have 10 as closing gauge. So imagine the pumper saves this reading and they come back to the main reading. So although the ticket gauges were 11 feet, the top close was, the base reading gauges didn't get updated. So this feature specifically is aimed at cases where the pumper doesn't need to really enter the gauge readings on the tanks when there is already carry forwarded or SCADA integrated data for the tanks. Thank you.